Hi, welcome to my channel Teach Me. In this video I'm going to show you how to find duplicates and delete them in Excel. Before that, don't forget to share, like, subscribe and click on the bell button. So in this Excel I have two columns. One is a name column and one is a payment column. So I want to find duplicates and delete them from here. So in here you can see I have a duplicate names, right? No duplicate entry. I have Oliver $30 and Oliver $30, right? So I have another duplicate like a William. I have William here, but the payment is $15 and $7. So it's not a unique duplicate. So another ones I have is $9 here, $9 here, but it's not unique, right? It's the names are different. So how do you find the duplicates? So let's look at the Excel given one. Alright, so if you select a column and if you go to conditional under home menu, conditional formatting, and if you do highlight cell rules and say find duplicate values, in here it will find all the duplicate ones, right? It's not associated with this because you didn't select it one, right? So you have a Noah, you have a three Noahs, two James are here, so on and so forth. So how do you extend this, right? So if you trying to select these and do the same thing, highlight, find duplicate values, in here it doesn't really match. So as you can see, there's a $15 here, there's a $15 here, but William is here, but this William in a $7 it's not highlighted. So this one is looking based on the columns. So the way it's going to work is it's going to look for everything in column A, which is name, and the payment column, which is B. So it's finding all the duplicates in A and also B, not and. So there is no and here. So how do we find a way so that way A and B matches? In order to do that, we need to create a rule. The way you have to do is, okay, first you select the columns, then go to conditional and say new rules. So you have to write custom rules. The way you write custom rule is in here, go to use a formula to determine which cell to format. So click on here. So I'm going to write a formula. So it's going to formula always starts with the equal. So the way you want to write formula is you want to use a count ifs. So how do you check each column? So I'm going to say $A column $A. So what that means is find everything in column A and starting from A1 comma, that's one condition, then find everything in column B column $B comma $B1. So the dollar means keep the column, right? That's what dollar symbol means. So in here, it says count ifs. Column A, look starting from row 1 in column A, then look everything in column B starting from row 1 in B column, and it's greater than 1. So if that match is greater than 1, that means it will find the duplicates. If you put 2, that means if it's 2 or more. 1 means 1 or more, right? So you do a format. So when you do a format, it says, okay, which color do you want to put? I'm just going to say, just give me a green one. Okay, so in here, I'm going to find all the duplicates in here. So click on OK. When you click on OK, as you can see, Noah $23, Noah here $23, Noah 23, Oliver 30, Oliver 30. Anything else that doesn't mismatch, it doesn't find it. So that's how we find duplicate. Let's say in here William is $7, right? So William's amount is changed to 15. So what happened is the rule is still here. Because the rule is still here, it's going to highlight and hey, that's a duplicate. So go here and put it back again 7. That means oh, it's changed. In here same thing, if you change the value it will not find the duplicate. So the rules here, if you go under conditional formatting and manage rules and just a current this worksheet, you can see the rules here. So since I selected, it started with the up to B20, right? So let's say if I put a Miller here, it still keeps with the rule, right? What if happened if I copy here? So it's still finding the rule. So wherever you have a duplicate, it's finding the rules, right? Because it's looking for A and B. If you copy this into another column in here, it doesn't find it because it's not under A or B. Okay, so now how do you delete this, right? So that is one way of finding duplicates, but how do you delete this? To delete this, you have to go to data. So under data, there is a button called remove duplicates. That's under column. So before that, you need to select the range and click on remove. So there are two items here. So name, two columns, name and payment. It's asking for which one do you want to combine, right? So if you just do a name, just the name, what's going to do is it's going to find all the name that are duplicate. It doesn't match, check the payment. But if you do payment, it says okay, find me all the duplicates that are name and payment. So make sure you have both selected, and if you click OK, and you will see the difference. Right now we have 5 items which are selected out of the 5. Noah here, there are 2 Noahs here, Oliver. So all of these 3 items are duplicates. So you will have to, so when you hit OK, you should see 3 of them deleted. See, it's the 3 duplicates are deleted. So 2 of them, Noah and Oliver, is there is only 1 entry, and all other entries are deleted. That's all. Thank you.